So I chained the axle, and from my experience, I probably have about 9,000 pounds sitting on this axle here, this is the good axle right now at the moment. Oh guys, damn it. Oh man. All right guys, I'm on 83 North here in Pennsylvania. The back of the trailer sparked up. I can see the trailer a little bit tilted to the side. It's not my first rodeo, so I'm pretty sure the freaking hub broke. The nuts broke off on the hub, and I probably lost one of the set of wheels. So I pulled over right here. I got 3 vans on my trailer, so I'm gonna go back there and check it out, but I already know that that's what happened. There's no reason for that to have happened. Like, I'm not expecting this to happen, but I already know this is probably what happened. Alright, so these wheels are here. Yeah, I can see the trailer is tilted to the other side. Yeah, the trailer's tilted this way. I guarantee you I'm missing 2 wheels right here. Oh man, this sucks. Oh, right here. Yeah, so the nuts broke off. These are fine. Oh, guys, I've been through this before, and this sucks. So I know the solution. It just sucks. Oh man, I gotta take these 3 vans off. So I got 3 vans on the trailer right now. All right guys, so I gotta take off the 3 vans from the trailer. I gotta go park 3 vans somewhere nearby, and then I have to chain up the axle. I gotta go look for a place that has the parts, and for a 10K axle it kind of sucks. Not a lot of people have it. I'm in Pennsylvania, so it's not gonna be crazy hard, but I'm on 83, which is not the best place. 95 would have been much better. I do this route every week, man. I do Florida and Boston every week. I never take 83. I haven't taken 83 in probably 8 months, at least 6 months, 5 months, at least from last winter. But damn it, on 95 there's so many parts stores, there's so many shops to fix your truck and trailer. Tomorrow's Friday. I might be stuck here until Monday, guys. I hope I'm not. I really hope I find someone to fix this thing. This really sucks. Freaking Friday, almost home. Alright guys, well, let me get to work. Let me find out what am I gonna do here. I've been through this before, so I know what needs to be done. It just sucks. Every time it happens, it sucks. Alright Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive through the inside roads. It's only 12 miles. Right there, 25 minutes, 12 miles inside roads. So that way I can get to the location, you know, through the inside streets. It'll be a lot safer. I've done this before. I know that it's not a big deal to do this as long as you're driving slowly, safely, and you're not going too far. So keep you guys updated. Alright guys, I just got here to Fleet Pride in Harrisburg, and I'm going to show you guys what I did. So I have these two vans here. So a lot of the weight from this van sits on this axle. Some of the weight of this van sits on both axles, and I removed the van on the back. So I chained the axle, and from my experience, I probably have about 9,000 pounds sitting on this axle here, this is the good axle right now at the moment. This is the axle holding all the weight. So I have about 9,000 pounds on this axle. You can even see from the wheel, it's not bulging. So between the weight of the trailer, the weight of the two vans, but then the weight that gets transferred to the actual truck axle, between everything that happens and goes on in a setup like this, 9,000 pounds is on that axle. If there is a cat scale nearby, I'm gonna weigh it just to show you guys that I somewhat know what I'm talking about. So we'll see what happens. All right, they want me to back up right there. Bay number 6, which is that bay right there. And then we'll see what happens. So I drove 12 miles like this, no problem. I made it safely, you know, 15-20 miles an hour maximum. You guys already know. All right guys, so I'm at the cat scale directly across from where I fixed my truck. I'm gonna weigh the truck and trailer and see if I was overweight driving with those two vans on top of my truck, on top of my trailer, sorry. So I want to know, I think I'm right, but we'll see. And I want to show you guys whether or not what I did was safe. There you guys go. I guessed 9,000 and it's 9,360. So this is my weight on the trailer axle, 9,360. And I'm gonna show you guys back there exactly what's going on. So I have these two vans right here. You guys can see my steer is up there correctly, my drives are correctly right here, and my trailer axles are correctly. The reason why I'm showing you guys this is I only had one axle when I went to fix my other hub. Like, there was mostly only one axle working. So right now I only have 9,000 pounds sitting on both of these axles with these two vans, which means that when I only had one axle working, there was 9,000 pounds on this one axle. But this axle is rated for 10,000 pounds, which means that I was safe by doing that. Would DOT allow me to do that? That's a different story. Was I safe by having 9,000 pounds on a 10,000 pound axle? Yes, that was safe. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, to make sure that you guys do things safely. Because if you're gonna copy me, you gotta copy me exactly the same way, which never happens. So you have to decide if what you're doing is safe or not, and I'm showing you how you know if what you did was safe or not. Obviously, I am not a professional mechanic, so the advice I'm giving you is not a professional mechanical advice. It's just from my experience and for my own knowledge. You guys do with the information that I'm giving you, you know, what you want with it under your own will. So that's my disclaimer, guys. I'm not responsible for whatever you guys do out there on the road. So you're the operator, you are the responsible for your own equipment and your own destiny behind the wheel of a truck.